How to make a man calm in few seconds using sounds. Yeah, these are hot and sexy sounds that can make a man pour or release out the fountain of water, organic egg water, like a shower in the washroom. I'm gonna tell you this sounds because you need it to spice up your bedroom dishes. As a woman, when you are actually making a dish in the bedroom, you have to use the spices of condiment to make everything sexually, to make him come like he never went. Okay? If you're interested, do well to watch to the end, like, share, and subscribe. Number one sound that will make that man, that hero, release the water like a coming home hero, coming home warrior from a desert. You know the smile that they come back with when they have gone to war and actually come back victorious. They actually killed a lion. Yeah, that that egoistic move and mood of a warrior, coming home warrior. That is just what or how or where you're going to place him if you actually mourn like a queen. You don't need a gun. You don't need a hard, metal. You only need voice to make him calm, to make him feel, to make him smile. Yeah, number one sound that will make him do all this is when you actually combine the sound with your breath and your, you know, creativity to make it look very, very real, superb, and magical. Okay, let's do a practical sound, one that will make him release that water. Imagine that you want to make use of vowel. A vowel, let's say ah, like a child in the kindergarten who is actually, or pre-nursery, who is actually learning alphabetic sounds, phonetic sounds, like the word letter R. We want to use or practice phonic sound letter R in the bedroom. Please, Miss Madam, try and combine it with your breath. Let it come from inside like a deep tongue. Yeah, you know what is deep tongue? Is coming from inside. We want to make this letter R a rhythmic one. You can actually go ahead and do letter R. You can't just come and be doing ah 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 ah. No, that is wrong. Like ah 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 ah, vowel ah 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 ah. You see, it's just combination of the sound with your breath, with your move, with your eye rolling can actually welcome a warrior coming back from a deep war as a victorious warrior. He's gonna forcefully put up a smile and feel so welcome, so relaxed, so appreciated, and you boost his masculinity, his ego. Oh, Massa, you have done so well. Another sound that can make a warrior happy. Your king would just be smiling like a baby, who have actually get satisfied from a mother's breast milk. You would just feel relaxed in your arm like a sleeping child. Number two sound is when you know the frequency, or what we like call the speed limit of the sound. You just need this to do the sound thing with a proper rhythmic mode in order for it to actually get a man make a man's joystick harder, because if you do it the wrong way, it actually destroy attraction, intentions, like connections. It makes his hormone dry. But when you do it the right way, with the right move, with the right tone, with the right breath, you find out that he's just going to put out that water without stress. So number two is going to be another vowel sound. Another vowel. We have five vowel sound. Let's just pick any other vowel and then use it to for illustration. So this vowel sound this time, we're not going to only be adding voice, we are going to increase the speed, like make it sound faster. Okay, yeah, let's just use letter of vowel. Oh, okay. So when you want to use vowel in the bedroom, when you're digging, yeah, like let's do it. Oh, 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 oh. When you're doing this combo of the breath, the move, the eye rolling will make the man drop the organic egg water from a inner chamber and screw in, like just like that. Okay, but when you just say ooh, 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 you are just playing that. It will just make you feel like you are fake. You are faking everything, and it is actually attraction killer when a man is actually high up and you start making noises that make him feel like you are faking it. You kill his attraction, you kill the mood instantly. So if you don't want to destroy his mood, try and make this morning to actually sound very original, very real. Don't do it in such a way that he starts suspecting the fake, the facility of it. Yeah. Another practice or sound mode that we're going to talk about is the okay, yeah. Another thing we're going to look into is to look at the volume. Look at the volume. You and I know that bedroom songs are actually mourned, like it's not something to be loud, like you're in a clubhouse. Whenever you want to play bedroom song, it should be on a low, like it should be something, yeah, on a low, not too high or too loud. Like, yeah, you know how those songs that are actually made for bedroom mood, how low, how coordinated, how they actually sound. You know what they are being called. You can tell us at the comment section if you know example of those bedroom songs that activate or increase the mood and moves that take place inside the bedroom. You can let us know at the comment section, or tell us the actual music or sound you love using when you have to do anything romantic or romantic inside the boardroom with your queen or your king. Okay, yeah, we want to talk about the volume right now. That is another thing that call for attention. When you are actually producing this sound, please try as much as you can not to start with a high. No, don't shout, like make noise that will make him begin to think, am I actually murdering her? Am I actually suffocating her? Is she just shouting in pain, or am I like not doing it right? If you shout on top of your voices, you will just drive, like turn him off, because some of them will be like, are we acting horror here? Is this a horror movie? It's not supposed. It's supposed to be a romantic, titanic, and